लो आ गया पपन भाई सबका दोबारा, right? And everybody are worried about the notification by the CMA Institute, right? Institute of Cost Accountants of India. So notification will come tomorrow only. When you all told me you want to enjoy the festival Raksha Bandhan, you all told we want to enjoy Eid Mubarak. I was also wishing you all, na? So let us wait for one more day. What is there? That doesn't mean that Papan Bhai, whatever he has posted, I have not bluffed. This is the concern of the elected representative for the students. We want to do it in such a manner that majority of the students or almost all the students should get what they really wanted. So notification will not come tonight. Yes, yesterday in some group I have written that it will come today. Then some students also made fun. Sir, aaj aayega. We are waiting for notification. Arey, Papan Bhai is also waiting for notification. Na? Papan Bhai cannot issue notification. It is the institute that has to issue the notification. But whatever I have shared is not bluffing. And some students have written, sir, he has posted quoting your message. उसमें क्या है? अगर पपन भाई का मैसेज पब्लिक डोमेन में है, ट्विटर में है या टेलीग्राम में है या इंस्टाग्राम में है या व्हाट्सएप में है या फेसबुक में है, एक बार पपन भाई बोला, आई विल स्टैंड बाई दैट. I will stand by that. Today one student called me. I told him, you are recording my call. You know what he told? I called you 10 times, you did not pick up. People should understand, students should understand. We have meeting. Yesterday we had council meeting which went from 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. Finally I was given the chance to give vote of thanks, that is the thanks dil se. It was around 3 a.m. I have posted in some group also. And some students asked, itna time? Yes. Elected representative council members are working. There are so many agendas, not necessarily that examination agenda, so many things. Na? So you should understand one thing. And there are some girls, there are some boys who are taking some personal chat reply from me and they are posting certain portions of my chat in some group. I don't mind. But some other students are asking whether it is true. अरे एक बार पपन बोल दिया और पपन भाई बोल दिया और पपन अंकल बोल दिया, उसमें क्या है? I will never take back my words. If I am wrong, I will apologize. I will fall on your feet also. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि पपन कुछ उल्टा सीधा नहीं बोलेगा. Which council member from any institute are talking or addressing the students like me? I am also aware. And some students are trying to threaten Papan Bhai also, telling that you should conduct examination in September because we have studied. Either rickshaw chal raha hai, bus chal raha hai, train chal raha hai, taxi chal raha hai. What is your problem? Then I told him, please tell me whether you are CMA foundation student, intermediate student or final student. He took 30 seconds to reply to me that, and finally he told he is final student. Then I asked another question. From which place you are? He took again minimum 30 seconds. I am from Pune. As if I don't know what is happening in Pune. And I told him, if in Pune रिक्शा वाला चल रहा है, बस चल रहा है, ट्रेन चल रहा है या टैक्सी चल रहा है, मेरे यहाँ जहाँ मैं हूँ, as a student, Pappan is now a student, in my place there is no train, there is no bus, there is no auto. So I will support, or I will talk on behalf of that student only. Even if a single student is affected because of this COVID situation, pandemic situation, the institute is with the children. I am very clear. I am very clear. I told that boy very clearly that you are not worried about your health. I am worried about your health. I am worried about your safety. I am worried about your security. Why I told? Because पहले दिन एग्जाम में आएगा, अरे इन्विजिलेटर कहाँ से आ रहा है, किसको पता है? That a peon or that a lady or man who is bringing water, एग्जाम जब होता है ना, पानी, questions will be like we will feel thirsty, but actually we want some water, na? We don't know from which place they are coming or what is the problem or whether that will create some this thing for the health. Second day, third day, COVID आ गया, positive. So I told that student very clearly that I will not take the risk. I am not worried about your examination, I am worried about your health. Pappan bhai next second mar jayega, he will be no more. I told that student. But I am worried about your parents, your health. Because examination is not this thing. Your health is important. That is why with the majority of the students, I told him, even if you are claiming that you are final student, fine. Fine. You give me your registration number, you give your name, details. I will tell the officials of the institute to conduct an exclusive examination for you. He till now, he has not shared his registration number. I told him very clearly, there are some tuition centers, there are some people who want to take mileage out of YouTube, subscribe and earn some this thing or that thing. Pappan bhai is not like that. Chalo, I was just sharing. So any student who have got some personal chat with me, they are sharing in Twitter, they are sharing in Instagram, they are sharing in Telegram, they are sharing in WhatsApp or Facebook. I am not bothered. I am not here to take any action against my own children. I am not. Let them do. But एक बार पप्पन भाई कंफर्म करेगा कि पप्पन भाई ने पब्लिक में आ गया, ऐसा बोला वैसा बोला, told this or that, I will stand by that. I will not ditch even a single student. But my humble request is, when you are asking questions in personal chat with so many questions, under the circumstances I am answering something. Why you want to post in group? Or you want to post in one girl from Cochin, she chatted with me something today and she has posted that in some group. That person has posted a part of that group, part of that chat in some other group. It is getting confused. It is not correct. It is not correct. If somebody asks me personally, shall I tell you? 76 chat, I am yet to reply in Twitter. Personal chat, I am yet to reply. I apologize. Please give us me also some time. Na? After all, you are Pappan bhai also. When I am telling you enjoy movie, enjoy music, this or that, I have so many official commitments. Despite that, I am coming in YouTube or uploading my video like this, which I am going to upload soon. Maybe tonight or tomorrow it will get uploaded. I am not sure. So please don't worry. Right? We are with you. All the elected representatives, the officials of the institute, the faculty members, everybody are with you. Why you are worried? When Papan Bhai has shared that we will have foundation examination online, whereas intermediate and final, let us have some more time, we will shift to December. I am not telling anything lie, na? And if at all, and you know, one student asked me, sir, aapne likh diya, you have written. Now tomorrow institute comes with a different notification. What is your answer? What answer? I will apologize. Because the institute, whatever information I have shared is within the four walls. What we discussed only I shared. Na? I have not bluffed. Still, if that student feels, the institute will come with, why he is having so much anxiety and claiming, I am from Pune, after 30 seconds he is telling, if you ask me, Papan, where are you from? Which is your place of birth? Which is your native? I will tell very clearly. Why should I wait for 30 seconds to think and tell I am from such and such place or this or that? Okay, that student is also, I don't know whether he is a student or not. Right? I assume. And he was challenging me, why are you replying to all the students? Then why should I attend his phone call? He is not understanding. If you all, majority of the students tell that Papan Bhai should not reply to you or should not participate in any social media, make it very clear. I will stop. I will also stop. Na? I respect that student also. But he wanted to pressurize me to conduct examination, putting all the students or majority of the students into trouble, which I did not agree. I am telling very clearly. And those who are running academy, those who are running tuition classes, those who are trying to get mileage out of YouTube or any subscribe or this thing, that thing, please block them. As simple as that. If they are very useful, please continue with them. I am not against them. I am not supporting them also. But I am very clear in my communication. I don't want even a single child of mine, whether boy or girl, who are writing the examination, or any student for that matter, I don't want to be party to see that they are put into trouble. Even if single student, I am telling. But council members, elected representatives will take a collective decision. If it is good for the majority, your Papan Bhai will support them. Don't mistake me. Right? तो ईद मुबारक, रक्षाबंधन जो भी है ये सब हो गया और ज़रूर जल्दी से जल्दी at the earliest you will definitely get the notification from our institute. Right? So thank you. So break the chain but not the relationship. Especially with your Papan Bhai, it is my humble request. Whether we have seen or we have not seen, we have met or not met, but I really love you. I respect you. At the same time, please feel free to express whatever you want. It is your right. I am telling you. It is your right to question your Papan Bhai. I will try to answer. Either I will convince you or you convince me. But let us be together, right? This is my humble request. And anything you want to tell, you tell Papan Bhai. Don't show your frustration at home. Because parents are parents, grandparents are grandparents, brother, sister at home are our own brother and sister. Anything you are angry, na? You please tell your Papan Bhai. Right? Thank you, thank you. Bye bye for the time being. Right? Okay.